Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I will be unboxing this Xiaomi Redmi A3. Now the Redmi A3 is quite a budget phone and I got mine for £59 and it was on sale. However, you can get yours for £79 unless there is the same sale that I got, and £59 is about $60. So for a phone that is extremely cheap, especially because this is a brand new phone. I mean, it's completely boxed. And so let's get started with the unboxing. So firstly, this box here looks quite nice. It's got the Redmi A3 text on the front. It says here that it has a large 6.71-inch display, and it also says that it's 90 Hz, which is more than the iPhone 16 has, which I'm looking forward to seeing that on this phone. It also has fingerprint and face unlock. And so let's get started. But firstly, I want to compare this phone with... So this is an iPhone 11 box, and as you can see, this is quite bigger, because I believe that they include a charger in the box, which again, that is going to be very nice to see. So let's get started with opening the box. So firstly, there's this plastic thing over here, which you have to take off. So you're taking the plastic cover off, and the box has quite a nice feel to it. So let's open it and see. Oh, it opens like this, very fancy. Here it says Redmi. Open this. And here, for starters, we have our phone, which I will take out and put to the side for now. Then we also have a SIM eject tool and a cable, but surprisingly no charger. I've seen that in other countries it actually did come with the charger, but those were in the USA and in Europe. But oh, it is what it is. Then we have this warranty notice, and finally a startup guide. So this basically says pretty much all you need to know about starting up the phone. And yeah, so let's put the box aside and power on the device. So before I power it on, I'd just like to show you. So this is quite a big phone. I mean, I have an iPhone 11 and this feels quite big to me. Over here, on the back, we have, so it's a dual camera phone. So that is quite nice. It's also got this very nice silvery touch to it. I'm not sure if you can see, but this is the midnight color. On the front, yep, it's a display that we've seen. And here on the side, we have a fingerprint sensor, which also acts as a power button. So let's take off the peel and power on the device. Wow. Is there any peel on the back? No, it's just this sticker, which I wish that they removed, but that can obviously be removed later on, and that's what I'm going to do when I put a case on this phone. So it's loading, as you can see. I was actually expecting a charger, but oh well. So here it says, "Hi there, English United States. I'm in the UK." So let's change this to, oh, this does feel like a smooth screen. So it's English, and English United Kingdom, because that's where I am. Then vision settings. Let's see what we can change here. Customize this device. Text. This looks good. So let's just reset it. And let's click start. So here it's going to tell me to choose the region, so United Kingdom. I've read and agreed. You can obviously check this. Then here it's going to ask you to connect to a mobile network. Down here we also have a skip, so that's what I'm going to do now. Set up offline, continue. British summertime. Today is not the 2nd of August. So today, let's forward. We're going to set the date. This video is going to come out a bit later on, but today is Friday the 8th for me. The time, it is 7:38. So I'll put 39. Okay. Next. Google services, more accept. Set a pin. So this is where you can set up a pin. I'll click skip for now. Agree, accept cookies. I'm skipping everything so that I can get to see what the phone is actually like as soon as possible. The borders around the phone are actually not too thick, surprisingly. This is an LCD screen though, so it's obviously not going to be OLED, especially on a $60 phone. And this is the 3GB of RAM, 64 gigabytes of storage version, which it is not that bad, honestly. I mean, many budget phones come with 2GB of RAM, and those are like in the hundreds. So considering that this is 3GB and only 60, it's quite a good deal. So now it's getting ready. Oops. Skip, agree. And here we are in the phone. So this has quite a nice touch to it. These are the this is already what comes pre-installed, and what I've been waiting for is seeing what the camera's like. So starters, while using the app, yeah, swipe down to open the menu. Oh, okay. So let's see, this is the box from before. and you can change between 1x zoom and 2x zoom. And let's take a photo and see how it looks. Ooh, that was a very satisfying click. I mean, the photo actually looks quite decent. You can zoom in quite a bit. Yeah. And then you can also change the layout of these buttons right here. I also like the really, really nice haptic sounds and buttons. Well, not buttons, it's not. However, just clicking, for example, here makes quite a nice haptic sound. And it also comes, I've just seen here, with this scanner feature, which is quite good if you want to scan documents. I think so. While using the app. Oh no, this is a QR code. Never mind. This is a QR code scanner. Unless, yeah, this is a QR code scanner. Which, I mean, that is quite good if you want to scan a QR code. The screen does feel quite nice, and you can definitely feel that it's a 90 Hz display. Yeah, so this is it. This is the full unboxing of the Xiaomi Redmi A3. And this is going to be my brother's phone, actually. And he's only 9, so this is why we wanted to get him quite a cheap phone, because his old one was a Samsung Galaxy A05, which we gave to him a few months ago, and he already cracked the screen protector on it, which I know it's just a screen protector, but that's why we didn't want to get him a very expensive phone. So, and if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!